Hey everyone, Joe here from Cleangetaway Car Detailing. Thank you for watching this video. I am so excited, finally. We are getting down our new flooring tiles for our workshop here. And as you can tell, they've sort of, the epoxy has come up, and we did it ourselves a couple of years ago, and we did it rushed because we just really wanted to get it down, and we didn't do it right. So we needed to get another option of a flooring, and so we've looked around and we've been in contact with our friends from Refract Car Care in Australia, who are the suppliers of these amazing floor tiles, which you've probably seen a lot already. They're becoming quite popular, and it's now, you can just see in the background behind me all these boxes, and it's a bit messy, but we've just been so excited. We've been starting to get into them. So this is them here, the grooved floor tile. You can see they're not a smooth finish. Like, I've seen a lot that people have, they're like the smooth ones, and that's alright, but I love these because they're grooved and they're a lot more grippy. There's a lot more grip because, you know, there's going to be water getting on these, detergents, solvents, you know, lubricants, everything like that, and so the design is that the water and the dirt can go through, but we don't want them to be too slippery. So we got black ones, we got yellow ones here, and we got some grey ones. And now my good friend Damien is rocking up. He's a carpenter and he's going to be helping us with cutting these and to install them, so can't wait for that. Alright, so we're just getting the small things done first. So this is, we're having like a landing pad for the cars for each bay. So 2 here, we're making up the 3rd one there, so that it's going to go here where the Ranger is. And now we also have like a yellow walkway that we're just implementing here from to go from the office all the way to the lunchroom. So we're just sort of getting the small things done first, and then we're going to build from the wall this way so that we can get all the tiles in on the right angle, so then we can piece them all together and know which ones we're going to have to cut to make fit. So exciting, can't wait. Look at all of them laid out, ready to go. Getting there, we just marked out our detailing bays. Damien here, he's been cutting them all down here. Let's go check it out. So in order to make it fit, we've had to cut them here. As you can see, it's really important that you really start in one corner and then work your way to the other, and then have enough tiles to cut them in to fit, or else, because not everything works into the right dimensions of the tiles. So it's good to have someone here that knows what they're doing when it comes to cutting and measurements, and what would be better than a carpenter. So Damo here is just measuring it up and cutting it. Just measuring it up to cut it ready to fit in beside the wash bay. Safety always first. Awesome. Perfect, ready to go. Slot in over here. Ah, like a glove. All right, it's been about 5 hours and we are finally finished. About 99% of the way there. We just got to do a few little tinkering jobs for around the doorways and stuff, but it's time to show you guys what the result is. Here it is, entry to the workshop. We have our 2 detailing bays right here, and then we also have our detailing bay here, our 3rd detailing bay, and then into the coating bay. So this here is a yellow walkway that we have from the office into the lunchroom. We did put this bay closer to this side only because it allows more room for cars to get in and out of our wash bay. But how amazing does this floor look? I'm just so excited to, it's funny how we get excited over these things, but I'm so happy to finally have these tiles in. Look how clean it looks. What a great invention. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like these tiles. If you want them, or if you want any more information about them actually, feel free to contact us and we'll let you know what we think. So now it's time to bring some cars in and put them in the shop. So the cars are now in the detailing bays, as you can tell. Perfect fit, plenty of room to work around. When I drove them in, it's quite wet outside, as you can tell, and the tiles are just so grippy, and there was no slipping or anything like that, which you can get on the epoxy floor. So really happy about that. Plenty of room in between that Honda and the Commodore to fit through here into the wash bay. So super happy. Love them. Check them out. Beautiful.